Hello, second grade. Miss Fogelman here for our math lesson. Today is Thursday, September the 10th, and we are talking about double-digit addition today. So let me go ahead and share my screen and we can get started. All right, so today we are going to be first going over our learning target. The student will be able to use addition in one-step word problems. So this is as an example of an addition problem we've already been working on. Today we're going to be starting a two-digit number plus a two-digit number. Our word problem for today is Kira and Jake collected rocks. Kira found 12 rocks and Jake found 24 rocks. How many rocks did they collect? Before we do our problem, let's make sure we understand what the question is asking us to do. It says, how many rocks did they collect? The word they tells us that we want to know the total number between Kira and Jake. So we want to know the total number of rocks they found together. Now, before I do that, let me all right, so we're going to decide what equation should we use to figure out how much Kira and Jake found together. We know that Kira found 12, and we know that Jake found 24. We decided that the question was asking us how much they found together, so we know we need to add. And of course, we need our equal sign. Now today we're going to be doing our work in base 10 blocks. So we're going to be doing 12 in base 10, 24 in base 10, and then we put them together. So 12 in base 10 is one set of 10 and two sets of 1. And we're going to add that together with 24, which is actually two sets of 10 and 4 ones. Okay, and we're going to put an equal sign here. So, of course, we always start with our ones. So we're going to count those up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that there's a 6 in the ones place. And then, of course, we're going to count our tens, which is 10, 20, 30. So 30 is 3 sets of 10. So we're putting a 3 in the tens place. So 36 rocks is how many Kira and Jake found together. All right, now I'm going to clear my drawings and get my mouse. Share the whole screen. All right, so before we finish today, I do want to review some addition and subtraction facts with you through Flocabulary. Flocabulary is a program that gives us some fun music to listen to as we review. All righty. Make sure my volume is at a good setting. And we'll begin.
Listen. This is the challenge rap, but I guess you know that. If you don't know the math, kid, you better go back. If you know the answer, then you know the math. But can you keep up when we go this fast? 7 plus 8 is 15. 6 plus 5 is 11. 0 plus 13 is 13. 9 plus 9 is 18. 7 plus 5 is 12. 8 plus 10 is, that's 18. 10 plus 4 is 14. 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. 7 plus 9 is 16. This is the challenge rap, but I guess you know that. If you don't know the math, kid, you better go back. If you know the answer, then you know the math. But can you keep up when we go this fast? Okay, how did you do in round 1? And are you ready for round 2? Now we're gonna go back. Maybe you can add, but can you subtract? 17 minus 8 is 9. 13 minus 6 is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. 11 minus 2 is 9. 12 minus 6 is, you know, 6. 15 minus 0 is 15. 13 minus 3 is, that's 10. 18 minus 9 is 9. 15 minus 7 is 8. 14 minus 9 is 5. This is the challenge rap, but I guess you know that. If you don't know the math, kid, you better go back. If you know the answer, then you know the math. But can you keep up when we go this fast?
All right, that's just a little review for you. I will make sure you get your work done today, and I will see you soon.